everyone, once again welcome to our channel न्यूक्लियन बायोटेक। सो गाइस, हमारा आज का टॉपिक है रेडॉक्स रिएक्शन। ये केमिस्ट्री का एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट। दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट टाइम, this is the first of the set of tutorial on redox reaction. These are the reactions where one reagent is oxidized and other is reduced. Related topics are also examined. This section cover oxidation and reduction also. Mainly redox reaction का क्या मतलब है? redox reaction को अगर हम सिंपल टर्म में डिफाइन करते हैं तो redox reaction का मतलब है कि एक reagent क्या है, ऑक्सीडाइज्ड हो रहा है, वहीं साथ में दूसरा रेजेंट क्या है, वो रिड्यूस्ड हो रहा है। हम ऑक्सीडेशन और रिडक्शन जो टर्म हम यहाँ पर यूज़ कर रहे हैं उसको भी हम एलैबोरेट करके पढ़ेंगे आगे। द ट्यूटोरियल आर डिवाइडेड इनटू 5 मेन सेक्शंस, ईच कवरिंग अ सेपरेट टॉपिक कंसर्निंग रेडॉक्स रिएक्शन प्लस अ प्रॉब्लम सेक्शन ऑल्सो। फर्स्ट ऑक्सीडेशन एंड रिडक्शन, सेकेंड ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर, थर्ड डिस्प्रपोर्शन, फोर्थ बैलेंसिंग हाफ इक्वेशन, fifth electrochemical cells, and sixth problem related to these topics. The individual topic can be viewed as separate slideshow. If a slideshow is missing from the web series, it means it is a beginning update and improved, or perhaps I just have not finished it yet. Oxidation and reduction. देखिए, ऑक्सीडेशन और रिडक्शन की जो डेफिनेशन है वो 2 कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड है, 2 बेस्ड सीरीज़ हैं। एक तो मॉडर्न इलेक्ट्रॉन बेस्ड डेफिनेशंस हैं और एक ओल्ड डेफिनेशंस हैं इसकी, ओल्ड ऑक्सीडेशन हाइड्रोजन बेस्ड डेफिनेशंस हैं। दिस सेक्शन लुक एट द मीनिंग ऑफ द टर्म ऑक्सीडेशन एंड रिडक्शन, बोथ द ओल्ड ऑक्सीजन एंड हाइड्रोजन बेस्ड डेफिनेशन एंड मॉडर्न इलेक्ट्रॉन बेस्ड डेफिनेशंस। एग्जाम्पल illustrating each definition are given and explained. Student on introductive level course may only need to read the section on the older definition, but those on advanced courses must study both sections, with the emphasis being placed on the modern electron based definitions. Modern electron based definitions को हम ज़्यादा प्रेफर करते हैं। In the past, oxidation and reduction were defined in a rather simple terms. Oxidation means the gain of oxygen or loss of hydrogen by an element or a compound. Reduction means, reduce means कम होना, the loss of oxygen, क्या कम हो रहा है, ऑक्सीजन, और gain of hydrogen by an element or a compound. Although these definitions have now been replaced by more useful modern definitions, they are still used in introductive level courses and are much easier to use when working with organic compounds. So we will start by looking at a few examples of older definitions in action before moving on the more important modern definitions, which you must learn to use. Now come to the examples of oxidation and reduction. The following examples show the older definition of oxidation being applied to a reaction. First, gain of oxygen. In this we see first gain of oxygen. Here the iron has gained oxygen to form Fe2O3. So the iron has been oxidized to form iron oxide. Here the carbon in carbon monoxide has gained oxygen. Carbon monoxide also gain oxygen. So the carbon has been oxidized to carbon dioxide. This is very simple. Here the nitrogen is in NO2 has gained oxygen from the hydrogen peroxide. Therefore the nitrogen have been oxidized. Notice that we don't need to use oxygen as the source of oxygen in our reaction, or we don't need to use O2 as the source of oxygen in our reactions. Now come to the next point. The combustion of anything is another example of oxidation where the old definition of gain of oxygen is easy to see. Now let's look at oxidation as loss of hydrogens. All these equations are unbalanced from simplicity and the hydrogen is lost as water. You can see that in first reaction, this reaction occurs when excess alcohol is present. In each cases we can clearly see that alcohol has lost some hydrogen when it reacts therefore oxidation is occurring. Note that in the second example, gain of oxygen has also occurred. At the time of examine, it's time to examine a few cases where reduction occurs. That is, reaction where oxygen is lost or hydrogen is gained. You should be familiar with this reaction, which is the overall reaction occurring in the blast furnace. These are the examples. The older definition are a little bit limited, in that only reaction which involve oxygen or hydrogen at some point can be considered to be oxidation or reduction. In many cases, we can find group of reactions where an element undergoes the simple or same basic change in each of the reaction, but using the older definitions, only one of them is classified as oxidation or reduction. As you should know, the majority of chemistry depend on the electronic configuration of the atom. This is most important point. So let's look at what the electron are up to in these reactions. Examine the three reactions below. In each of them, the metal is undergoing an identical change if we look at the electrons. But by the older definition, only one of them is called oxidation. In each cases, the magnesium atom is losing 2 electrons to form an ion with a charge of 2+. Only the first reactions would be classified as oxidation, rest are reduction. From the magnesium point of view, this is sleep. It's simple, losing 2 electrons in every cases, so the definitions of oxidation and reduction need to be improved. So, what are these more modern, more useful definitions? Oxidation means, modern point of view से अगर हम बात करें ऑक्सीडेशन और रिडक्शन के डेफिनेशन में क्या चेंजेस आया है ओल्ड को देखते हुए. सो ऑक्सीडेशन मीन्स लॉस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन बाय एन एटम or reduction means gain of electron by an atom. Now all three of the previous reactions can be called oxidation, and many more reactions which do not involve oxygen or hydrogen can now be easily classified. These are the definitions that you are expected to learn and use from now on, especially if you are on an advanced level course. However, note that for organic reactions, the older definitions are still very useful, as it is sometimes hard to see which atom have gained or lost electron in many organic reactions. Now come to the next point. There are a couple of other definitions that you have to learn when working with these definitions of oxidation and reduction. Oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent cause oxidation to occur. An oxidizing agent is the substance which accept electron in an oxidation reduction reaction. An oxidizing agent is easily reduced. Now come to the reduction या reducing agent. Reducing agent cause reduction to occur. A reducing agent is the substance which donate electron in an oxidation reduction reaction. A reducing agent is easily oxidized. So some examples of oxidation based on the modern definition. अब तक जितने हमने एग्जाम्पल देखे थे वो क्या था, ओल्ड डेफिनेशन पर बेस्ड थे, लेकिन अब जो एग्जाम्पल्स हम देख रहे हैं वो मॉडर्न डेफिनेशन पर बेस्ड हैं. हियर वन फ्रॉम एन अर्लियर स्लाइड प्लस अ न्यू वन. इन बोथ केसेस द आयरन हैज़ लूजेस इलेक्ट्रॉन. हम दोनों रिएक्शन में देख सकते हैं कि आयरन ने अपने इलेक्ट्रॉन को लूज़ किया है, एंड आयरन ऑल्सो लूजेज एन इलेक्ट्रॉन इन द नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. Some reagent can oxidize halide ion to the halide or an oxoacid anion. For example, these half reactions where O represent an oxidizing agent. So exactly see this. Notice that in the second example, although we start and finish with a negative ion, no doubt, because electrons are loosed in the process, it is oxidation. A full explanation of half equation and oxidation number is given in later sections, which will make reaction easier to understand or to learn. So come to the next point. The older definition was restrictive in that it only looked at ones of the reagent to classify the reaction as either oxidation or reduction, or it is reduction. But with the modern definition, we can see that both reactions must occur at the same time. बोथ रिएक्शंस मस्ट अकर एट द सेम टाइम, बिल्कुल टाइम जो है, टाइम लिमिट जो है वो बिल्कुल सेम है. सो केमिस्ट इन्वेंटेड द टर्म रेडॉक्स टू डिस्क्राइब दीज रिएक्शंस वेयर बोथ ऑक्सीडेशन एंड रिडक्शन आर अकरिंग. It is important to remember that in something lose electron, something else must gain these electrons. We don't have reaction where we end up with a bottle of electron as one of the product. Now, as the starting material, or no, never as the starting material as we have started, we oxidized one reagent and reduced the other. This is the basic rule of oxidation and reduction process. We cannot have one without the other. Disproportion is a special type of redox reaction where the same element in the same compound is oxidized and reduced in the same reaction. This means it formed two products, one of which is the product of oxidation and other is the product of reduction. To understand this particular type of redox reaction better, we must understand what is mean by the term oxidation number, sometimes called oxidation state. So this is all about redox reaction, and in this video, in this session, we also cover oxidation and reduction clearly. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Stay safe, stay home, stay healthy.